Guys, this trendline strategy was one of the strategies that helped me to change from being a losing trader to becoming a profitable trader over the few years, months of struggling. I know that if you apply all this knowledge that I'm going to show you guys on the charts right now, you are going to actually see yourself changing or becoming a more profitable trader. So I hope you guys will be able to follow along. If it is your first time, do leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also do comment down below with your questions, guys. Thank you guys who are watching, and let's get going and let's get started onto the charts. So guys, this trendline strategy is going to be a game changer for you if you've been struggling to find where you can get entries that can help you be profitable within the market. I'm going to show you this. I believe I've shown this before, but I'm going to show it to you in a more elaborate way so that you can be able to understand this, okay? Remember, do ask your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer you guys. So without wasting time, let's get on to the charts right now. As you can see, we are on the GBP USD chart, and I want to show you guys how this whole strategy works using trend lines, okay? So when you're using trend lines, as the word says, or as the name says, trend line, okay? You want to look for a market that is creating a downtrend, like here, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. Okay, let's consider this a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, something like this, okay? Then a low that breaks this low, and then the price continues going lower, creating lower highs, lower lows, okay? You guys already know this. I don't have to go ahead and explain to you guys what this is. This is market movement, creating market structure to the downside, creating a trending market that is trending bearish or trending to the downside. Now, after you've identified this, okay, what you're going to do is that you're going to take trades. All the trades that you're going to take are going to be in the opposite direction to this trend, okay? So what you're going to do here is you're going to wait for the most recent low, lower high to be broken, which is this one here, okay? Wait for the most recent, wait for market, okay, to break a low or a high. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be marking your lows, lower highs and lower lows, okay? You're going to be marking them. You can distinguish them with the lines, right? So what you're going to do is this. When you see the market, okay, a market breaking a low in a downtrend, like now here, when you see the market breaking this low here, okay, you mean you get ready because you're going to join the most recent lower highs after a break of a low. You guys can see this. This is a low, okay? This low here is the low I'm talking about, okay? This low, after this low is broken here, the low which is represented by the yellow line, once it's broken, you get ready to join the most recent lower highs, okay? Which is this, you can see this, okay? And then this one which is created after the break, okay? So that is what you're going to be joining. Now, let me just take this out so that's it's more clear for me to draw for you guys these levels, okay? Let me show you. So after those are broken, you want to get your trend line tool, join the two most recent lower highs, that one and then this one here, okay? Like this, okay? That is what you do, okay? After you've joined those, okay, you don't want to just jump into a trade once this trend line is broken. You don't want to just jump into the trade, okay? Wait for market to create another low or a low that is higher than the previous low, which is this one here, okay? You can see here, it creates a low that is higher. This low here is higher than this low here. After this low is created, which is higher than this one, how do you know that this low has been created? When you see that the recent high, which is this one here, this point here, the price pulls down below it, okay, and then goes and breaks above it again right here, okay. So at this point here, this low is confirmed, okay. So you want to now start taking your trades, okay. You want to start taking your trades above that line or above that breakout point. That is how you trade the trend line, okay. So in this area, you would now put like a buy trade after a break of this high here. You would put a buy trade immediately like here. Then your stop loss will be at the trend line or just below the low that has been created. And then you're looking for a 1-2, 1-3 risk to reward ratios around that area, okay. So that is how you trade this trend line strategy. I believe, guys, if you put into action this strategy, it's going to really help you with your trading. Now on the flip side, market is creating now high highs, high lows. As you can see here, it's a high, a low, a high high, a low, a higher high. You can see the market is creating a trend to the upside. What you'll be doing at this point is you're going to be placing your highs on the highs, move this line and place it on the lows like here, okay. So you're only waiting for market to break. Now when you see market, for example, breaking this high or this blue line here, what you want to wait for is you want to wait for market to create a low, which is this one, and then you join those two lows, okay, with a trend line. You join those two lows, the most recent low, which is this one here, and the previous one. You join them like this, okay. You can project this line further, okay. So what you do here is repeat the same process that I've just shown you here, okay. Once this line is broken, okay, wait for market to create a low. This time here it was creating a high, then it came and created a low lower than that high. So in this other case here, you want it to create a low, and then you want it to create a high, okay, a high, which is this area here. Creates this high after creating the low here, this low, it goes and creates that high. Now you want to wait for price to come back and take out this low for you to sell. You don't start selling just here when this breakout. Wait for price to come back and take out this low. That's when you start to place your sell trades. But as you can see here, the market basically came and was just bouncing on that line and went up, came back here, bounced and went up. So you don't get a trade here. I hope you can see the importance of following the rules of this strategy. Only take a trade once this previous one has been taken out, okay. So yeah, let me show you another one, maybe which will give us, like, for example, a selling trade. I just want to give you one that can give us like a sell so that you can also see what you would do on the sell side, okay. Now, for example, like here, you had an uptrend, like a high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it was a trend, okay. So what you wait for here is you wait for market to break one of those, okay. For example, here, when market breaks above, you wait for it to create a high, a low, and then you join with the previous low, which is this one here. After the break, the market creates a high, okay, then it creates a low. So this is the low that the market creates. Just give me a moment. This is the low that the market creates after the breakout, and this is the previous low. So you join those two, okay? You join those two. Let me take this out. You join those two, okay? Join this one and that one, okay? Like this, okay? So after you've joined those two, what you're waiting for is you're waiting for market to come back and take out this low here. This low is the one you're waiting for the market to break. This one. Once the market breaks this low here with this candle, that's when you take your trade. You can see, you take your trade here, stop loss above there, and you're targeting a 1 to 2. That is how you trade this strategy. I hope this strategy, guys, helps you to become more profitable. I don't want to make the video too long. You can go back and watch this video several times until you've understood this. Guys, this strategy will transform you from a losing trader into a successful trader. I hope you guys like the video. Drop a like, subscribe, and also comment down below with your questions. If you want more clarity, comment down below. I'll be able to come back and do a video for you. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.